Okay, we're getting back with you here. This lost periscope had some crazy things, piece of flying debris. Hey, Jeff, you on frequency? Stand by. We're trying to get back to the parking garage. It's getting really hairy now. Jeff, you copy? Okay, we're back with you here on YouTube. Okay, you're back with us here on YouTube. This is it's pretty deep water here. This is Gulf Shores. Water's getting deep. Eastbound, westbound lanes. Water's fairly deep now. They're really high. In fact, I'm gonna have to go here. It's like 59. The water's very deep now. Look at this. It's like 6 inches deep here. Wow. Very deep on both sides of the road. I'll put this up here for a minute while I navigate. Wow, gotta watch this. Hey Jeff, I'm almost back to you. Yeah, it's really bad on the west side of town. It's like everything's going underwater on both sides of the road. It's bad. It's like really deep. I'm almost back to the hotel. And I had a piece of flying debris come off. I had a gutter rip off a building, a big 30-foot piece of light pole, and came flying over the car about 20 minutes ago. It was flying eastbound, but the extremely damaging winds are almost here. We're about to come in there right now. Are you on the second or third floor?
Second.
Third floor or second floor?
Second.
Roger, got it. Coming up. Okay, we're going back up here. We're climbing out in the elevation. So we're going up the parking garage now to get out of the flood. The storm surge is coming, and so the really bad winds, all these hurricane force winds are coming in. We're going to reposition here. Okay. There it goes, little antenna. Okay, let's kill the wipers. We got the windows clean. Here we go. Wow, wow, wow. Hear the generator running. Okay. There's multiple generators running. There's Jeff. The other Jeff. Okay, we're gonna get the lights going. We're gonna get this. Just back. I'll step out of the car here. Here, I'll make it you. Kids going here. Just stay right there. We'll be right back. We'll get this up. We're gonna go to the north end. Matter of fact, my winds are on the northwest here now. Really zero light. Let me see if I can get this up here. You guys see this? I don't know. We'll try. See what this thing does. Crazy storm surge is coming. I'll pull up a little bit. Try to pull up. I know. It's gonna be bad here in a minute. Hang on, guys. Okay. So much salt spray here. Try to get up here a little bit closer. We get as far as I can go. Back that up. Okay, here we go. Stand by. Get these lights. I'm outside checking things, looking at things, getting ready for the really bad stuff coming here pretty quick. Not sure if that's that switch or the other switch. No, it's inside. Okay, there's that one. I know. Yep, it's a blinking. There's that one. There's that. Another switch. Oh, I see what's going on. You guys seen those high winds off? Here we go. Now we're talking. Hang on. Yep. No, I hadn't crossed the coast yet. Nope. It's not. It's gonna get crazy here. It's 25 miles southwest of me. Here we are, right here. Okay, we're at Gulf Shores. There we are. Here's the really bad winds. We're right here. We're just now starting to get in the really bad winds. And let's go to velocities here. There's a switch line. That's north. This is kind of like southeast, all pounding here. Let's see what we've got here. We're about 65 to 70, 75 just offshore there. Not very far. There's 85, 90. That's like 15 miles south of us there, which is not too far away. Then we came down here, we got 100, 105. Look at all the hundreds there, 103, 108, 104. You know, we're probably about 2,000 feet there, but as these big bands come in, you'll get those 100-mile wind burst coming to the ground as it comes in. Look at this, yeah. So this eye wall, so let's talk about this. If it's 5 miles an hour, and we'll just do a real quick measurement here. So from this inner eye, and we'll just go right up here. It's about 25 miles of just insanity winds, okay? So once these big fat winds get up here, the 75 plus, we'll have about 5 hours of crazy winds. 75 gust to 100, okay? 60, near 70 now, and over the next hour, it'll get more and more crazy, and that's what'll happen. So anyway, I think that earbud, let's see if you guys can hear. Can you guys hear this? What's it? See, middle bar's down, 90 surface now. Okay. Pretty good. Excuse me. Wow, that was an intense sneeze. You guys want to go outside and look what's over the wall? You want to see what I'm waiting for? Because it will be here at some point. Let's go outside. Let's go look. See that? adjust the lights just right. There you go. See, I got the lights on got the lights out there on the water. You see that? The stuff, definitely a lot of stuff flying in here. Oh boy, here we go, guys. 5 hours of crazy. Look at this. Just total insanity. They need to sailing through this parking garage through the winds. Huge breaking waves. Waves are about 10 feet right here on the coast. Remember, high tide's around midnight. So if you get about, I think we're about 9 something, maybe 10 now, 9. So as we get the high approaching at midnight, a little bit after, I said the winds parking garage will probably touch 70 now. It's really bad now. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Now this is the close here. The kind of old cold food. I would imagine we'll probably have a high wind warning now for the extremely damaging winds coming ashore here in the next hour. The winds are really picking up. So this is where the damaging winds and the power outages and those kind of things will start flying debris. You can see there's a little bit of sea foam there, a little bit sand there, Bruce, but not much. But about where I'm pointing right there, there's a little bit of ridge there, but the water is coming out. Look at the waves. The waves just keep coming, and it's just about even here. And as soon as it gets up, just about another half foot or foot as we get toward high tide, and the water comes in, it coincides with the northeast sky wall. That's when you're gonna have a big whopping storm surge. Uh-oh, I see something really, really big. Yep. I got like 15-foot waves just off the coast here, like 100 yards offshore. There's 15-foot waves. Huge waves now are coming in. Oh my gosh, big waves coming offshore. And look at the waves breaking, guys. Huge battering waves now coming. I'm gonna zoom in for you. I'm trying to hold the camera. I'm behind like a 2-foot thick wall. Look at this wall here. It's like 2 foot thick. I'm hiding behind it in the corner. Keep from getting blown around here. My ears are popping, and you can hear listen to the wind. You can hear the roar. Right now you're on earbuds, but if I took my earbuds out and just went to the cell phone only, the wind would be unreal. Yes, it's a count one. I think we should another look. So. Yeah, I think the pool is open. We may have to go jump in it. I imagine the salt water is going to get in there. Probably a saltwater pool anyway, but The ocean may be in there before the night's over. You have a phone. Oh, Jason. Jason's saying. We got 5 hours, Jeff. It's 70 to 90. It's 70 to 100. We got 5 hours of it. And the winds are 70, probably 65 to 70, 75 times gusting. There's Jeff. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take a rest here for a second. How's everybody doing?
Hey, Jeff, did you call me?
Did I what, sir?
I don't know if you said something to me.
No.
Okay, sorry.
And it's time to regroup and get ready for the energy drink and get ready for 5 hours of pretty insane winds coming here soon.
Yeah, because it's going to be very prolonged hurricane force winds. Yeah.
Oh, thank you for welcome to Alabama. Yes. Let's see which way this thing's moving here. You used to think it's coming right on top of us. It kind of jogs north, northwest, or north northeast, and then north, and it's moving back and forth. Man, it's trying. You know, we weren't able to get inside the eye during Laurel to show them the seagulls, right? I, we might be able to do. We might. It, right now. I don't know. 5 hours ago, I'd give it 10% chance, and I'd say now that we're within 30 miles and it's kind of south southwest, I'm gonna bump those odds up to 50-50. Better than we had Laura, right?
But let's see. Let's go to the dill pole here. Let me look at this here. Let me look at the dill pole data. I'm going to see if we've got.
Yeah, we're
Looking for those seagulls in the eye and see what kind of. Look at the dill pole phase differential and some other stuff going on here. And let's look at see what kind of hydrometers and different things we've got going on here. Let's see, don't see a lot in there. Spectrum width. Yeah. Might be a few seagulls. It's not really heavy compared to some other ones I've seen in the past. Yeah, the radar looks. It doesn't look like it has on the dual pole. It doesn't look like it has much in the way of seagulls in there right now, from what I can tell. It's not. It doesn't give you that. It doesn't give you the data that you normally see. That look. But I'm sure there's going to be several in there, but maybe not tonight. Okay, the winds are. The tornadoes are normally on the northeast side. They could be they could be like 100 and 150 miles, to the east northeast of the center of low pressure, where they maximize the wind shear off to the northeast. Man, this thing is getting really crazy here. Look at that light pole in front of us, guys, going back and forth. By the way, my shot right now, my live shot is looking southeast here. Let me do something here. Let's see. Let me just fudge just a little bit that way. Just a little bit. Get out of that viewfinder there. How's that? Just trying to get you out of that look. Okay. It's time to start my other stream. Get another stream going here. Get that going. Okay. Just a second. I gotta do one other thing. You guys just bear with me, and you guys do your stuff, and I'm gonna take care of a few housekeeping chores for a few seconds here. Mm-hmm. There's something in the air down here. It's making me sneeze like crazy. Let's see today. That's what I'm looking for. Yep. CC. Yep. So that's charging. Yep. Going. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of. There's that. Perfect. Back there. There's this guy. That's perfect. I'm gonna use him outside here in a minute. Yeah, I like that. May not be too much longer. Yeah, thanks for bringing that up. We'll look at pressure here. Let's see what we've got here. It's falling. I know that. Mm-hmm. Okay. The winds are getting stronger as they get closer here. Okay. I gotta do a couple other housekeeping chores. You guys bear with me here. I'm gonna do your bite seasoning. Okay, good. I'll check out. Working on multiple things at one time here. There's another piece I needed. By the way, how's the audio sounding here? Strengthening. Okay, really? Okay. Hey, Jeff, go to the 11 p.m. advisory. Something about the strengthening or something. Okay, look at that. Look at it. It's about 11 o'clock advisory, maybe strengthening. Just a second here. That's weird. Wow. That's really weird. What? I don't have it either. Guess what the pressure's down to? Huh? 972 millibars. That's what it shows on this deal here. 972 millibars. The current position is to the right of their earlier forecast. And at 1 a.m. they got it just southwest of us here. It's going to be really close. Look how it zigzagged, Jeff, on my map. I'm not saying that's 11 o'clock advisory, but yeah, it's doing that stair step. Yeah. I'll let you guys. Huh? Right. So Jeff's. No, it's 974 millibars. It's not 932. It's 974 millibars. It's not that. It's a decent hurricane. Okay, I'm gonna look at the NHC, see what we've got here. Oh wow. Look at something here. Wow. I'm looking at multiple things here, folks. Just bear with me for a second. I'm looking at radar data, trying to get some updates from National Hurricane Center, what they're thinking, what that looks like to them. Right there. Mm-hmm. Right, the lower the millibar, the stronger the hurricane in most cases. Let's see what we have here, Sally. Let's see if this is the 9 o'clock or no, this is 7. Uh-oh, update. Just bulletin just came out. Let me see when they do that. Bulletin, I got a breaking. Hang on. Hey, Jeff, a special update was issued at 9 p.m. Sally's creeping northeast. Sustained winds at 58, gusts to 73. Pettybowl Island, Mississippi. Okay. Oh, that was 58, gusts to 73 in Mississippi. Max sustained winds 85 miles an hour. 972 window and 2870 pressure. And it's moving northeast. It's moving northeast at 2 mile an hour. 2 mile an hour. Okay, folks, we're gonna have breakfast with a live shot with the eye at 2 miles an hour. I think it's gonna be past this by that time, but at 2 miles an hour, surely it's moving faster too. Huh? Let's hope. I know. So this is moving north, folks. Okay, I wonder if I can call Uber and have them deliver. I'm thinking like, what are you guys thinking? It's 10, so I'm thinking like some, oh, I don't know, some oatmeal, bacon and eggs, sometime around 6 a.m. Some oatmeal and bacon and eggs. Yeah, maybe some cutter oats, something healthy, banana. Yeah, about 6 a.m. Landfall maybe. It's just I cannot believe this thing says it's moving northeast at 2 miles an hour. You just got to be kidding me. It's 25 miles from here. That's like over 10 more hours. So it's 10. So about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, 6 to 8, we'll be in the eye. So you guys gonna watch my stream all night. Let's see. Let's hope it's doesn't take that long to get by, but it might. It just very well might. Or it sure looks like it's moving faster than that, but maybe not. It just keeps spinning waves around. So it's let's go to radar. You guys want to see radar? I think Kathy said something about radar. Okay, look at this. There's Gulf Shores. There's Mobile. Mobile's up here. You got Mobile Bay. Kind of does this. Okay. Appreciate the support there. And, nice big guy. It's almost like a half hurricane. It's this southwest deal. It's had dry air coming in, wind shear on the southwest flank all day, last night, overnight, and it's tried pretty well hard today. Especially this afternoon, it really got its act together. Let's just watch this here. I don't know. It's kind of moving northeast. It's just jogging. Wow, it's gonna be a long night. 65 to 70 right here, just offshore. Not very far, about 5 miles. It's 80-mile-an-hour winds, 75 to 80. And then you get down here in the deeper purples and blues, where you're in the 95 to you get a little bit higher. We're about 2,000 feet. There's a couple bursts of 100, 103, but you're about 2,000 feet there. So it's not surface. It's just above surface. It's a couple thousand feet up. People don't live at 2,000 feet unless you're in the Rockies, somewhere up in higher elevations. This is not surface winds. This is the beam as it looks out from Mobile. The beam looks out. It goes up approximately about 50 feet every nautical mile, roughly. So as you get farther out here, 20, 30 miles, you're going to be up several thousand feet. So the beam's sitting in the cloud really about 2,000 feet above the ocean right now. It's not at the surface. But as it gets closer to the radar, then it drops in elevation as far as what you can see right, that kind of thing. So that's the difference. See right there, that number right there says I'm 2,000. Right over us, I'm at 2,600 feet. From Mobile radar, I'm looking at about 3,000 feet. Okay, 2,600 feet, 2,700 feet. Down here, you're about 4,000 feet, just under about 900, between 950 and 850 millibars. About 950 millibars, about 5,000 feet. So it's not surface. That's up there a little bit. Okay, that's kind of a low level jet, and I can tell you the clouds were flying over. So that gives you an idea the circulation. But we got some strong winds down here. But you have to remember all that water is piling up with the circulation going around. All this water is piling in here, east, southeast. Winds. The winds come around to the northeast. That wind's just going to keep piling up here. It's going to push this water, this high water. It's just going to keep coming north, right on this northeast side of this eye. And as soon as the winds whip around, depending on where this eye tracks from us, as it goes over us or very close to us, here in about 6 hours, or let's call it 6, 7 hours, 6 hours or so, 2, 3, 4 in the morning. As this eye gets past us in this general area, then our wind should flip from this northeast east. If it goes just west of us, it may not do that. It may go just east of us, but within 4 or 5 miles of us, I think 5 miles either side of Gulf Shore is going to be where it tracks. It's going to be really, really, really close, like right in here, just somewhere in this general zone. This is where the center is going to cross. this general area. And if it happens to be just west of us, like 5 miles, the center, then all this storm surge is coming on shore right here. Orange Beach, Gulf Shore, Pensacola. This is where the most worst, that's going to be one of the worst areas, immediately to the right of the center. And that's also coincide with the most damaging winds up on this north side. This actual backside is pretty bad too, to be quite frank with you. You got 70, 80 mile an hour winds on the backside too, 90, 70 to 90. Probably you have to take about 10% off those numbers for surface. So if I'm 95, take 10% off that, cut that down to about 85. That's what you got on the northwest side wall. So you got 100 over, take 10% off that, you're probably about 90. So that gives you a good idea of what's going on there. Okay, got an late tonight, early Wednesday morning. Okay. Hurricane conditions will reach the coastline later on tonight. Let's see, what's it say here? Got a special update. Conditions expected. Okay, this is a new update. Let me go to this. Let's go to this. It looks like the 11 a.m. advisor's out at National Hurricane Center. Let's see what they did. It looks like they just issued it. Okay, let's see what they said. Oh, that's the 4 o'clock. It's out. It's out, but I don't have it yet. It's coming in. It'll be in here in just a second. The 11 o'clock advisory. Just hit the wire. Let's see if any of these things I've updated yet. Maybe the public forecast has. There we go. Okay, storm surge warning has been extended east to include Osceola and Walton County line and Walton Bay line in Florida. So that tells me the storm surge is farther east. Okay, that's new. Hurricane warning has been extended east in Navarre, Florida. That's a big deal right there. Okay, got a lot more population. They've extended the hurricane warning farther east, Navarre Beach, and then also storm surge warning farther east. Storm surge warning this continued mouth of Pearl River. That's back west of us, which makes sense because it's away from that area. Storm surge warning in effect for Mississippi-Alabama border, which is the area we're at. Mobile Bay, mouth of Mississippi, Pearl River. Okay. Hurricane warning. Okay, got that. Bay St. Louis, westward Grand Island. Okay.
Saying you're moving?
Just a minute here. Go ahead, Jeff.
I said, are you moving?
I'm reading the new NHC forecast. What's wrong?
Oh, okay.
Storm surge warning means dangerous, life-threatening storm surge inundation, rising, fast-moving water during the next 36 hours. Depicts on the areas of risk. Please see the National Weather Service local storm surge. This is a life-threatening situation. Person located within the area, take action. Okay. Hurricane warning means hurricane conditions. Tropical storm warning means tropical storm warnings within the next 36 hours. Okay, 972, 75 knots, gusted 90. Right before landfall, we're at 80 knots, gust to 100 knots. That's so about 90 miles an hour, gusting to 115, roughly. Okay, so that's pretty serious. That's the new deal. Now I can check a map. Let me see what they did with the new. I'll look at the actual bar graph that tells me the track on my map here. Boom. Looks like it might make landfall. They got it going east of us 10 miles at landfall. 10 miles east. The Cat 1. It is going over.
That's the updated track.
Yeah. Roger. Yeah. So the storm surge, let's go to that. Let's see what we've got here. Let's go graphics. They've got it. They pulled it. It's really close here. It's kind of cutting hairs here, but it's yeah. It's really close. I can get you really close here, but basically it goes over us, but as a crow flies, I'm being really. I've got a map here. It tells me exactly to the 1/8 of a mile where it's at. It actually makes landfall 5 miles east of me here. 5 miles east is where they got to make a landfall, just east of me here, 4 or 5 miles. Okay, which is basically in the Purdo Key area. Purdo Key is where they've got it making landfall as a Cat 1. And that is going to be, that's pretty late. That's at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. 92 mile an hour winds, gust to 115. Purdo Key. Dolphin Island got hit pretty hard. And let's look at this. So we're Gulf Shores here. So Purdo Key, there's Orange Beach over here. And Purdo Key's back. We're right in here. You see Purdo Key Hotel. It's on the other side over here. It's just right in this area. Let me find it here. What's this there? Oh, there's Orange Beach, not that far west. It's right here. What did I say? 5 miles. There's Grand Beach. Let me find it here. It's a little small. There it is. It's right in this area. Bro. No, I'm close. I should know my area is right in here. Look at the map. Oh, I see what it does. It goes just east of Orange Beach. Purdo, that's where I was at today. It was just right here. Yeah, Purdo Beach. That's where it's at. Makes landfall right here. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Purdo Beach. Okay? Right here. That's the new track. So it goes in just east of us here. About 5-8 miles. Not very far. It's right here. That's what they have. So we'll see how that plays out. Okay, so that's the latest. Take this over the wall. If it wants to go over the wall. They don't like fishes, but they're in it pretty good. Okay. Yes, I see that. Thanks for the support, though. Got this issue, Houston. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. It's getting windy. Okay. It's kind of interesting. Wow. That's really okay. It's just crazy. They don't go yet anymore. There's ropes that really hold right there. I guess it's anchored to. Oh, it's concrete down there. Okay, it's concrete down there. So it's concrete, but it's ripping pretty hard. It's not pulling off. Let's take a different view here. Man, there's something about 5 inches of water. That's always pouring in from every direction. There's a parking garage. some of them, let this go back in time here. To the side. Right. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's get real low. The wind's trying to push me to the ledge here. This is crazy. This is not good. 70-mile-an-hour wind now. Yeah, you got that right. There will be some debris coming soon. We start getting those 85, 90, Justin, that kind of stuff. We'll go for some flying debris. Because I'm going to put the phone up on a hanger. Wow, my goodness. Okay, let me do this. See, I made it worse. Go back that way. Wow. I thank you for support. I appreciate it. Okay. Whew. Thank goodness. Wind's going to whip up like a big dog here. Let's see. Hurricane force winds extend outward 40 miles from the center. Okay. Tropical storm force winds 125. It's a lot of wind coming. Right. I'm gonna take the earpieces out, so it may go kind of quiet on you here for about 15 minutes, and I'll be back with you. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my AirPods out and do some things and get back with you. First, I need to do that. Let me see here. Hang on to that. Let's see here. Okay, that's terrific. That's all right. Yes. No, those ropes are not live wires. They're not live wires. That's a good idea, Mustang Sally. Siri, can you play Mustang Sally for me?
Sorry, I couldn't find Mustang Sally in your music.
Sarah said she could not find Mustang Sally in my music. Okay. It's not in my music, Siri. I need you to find it for me and play it. Okay, that's what the people want. But hey Siri, is there going to be a hurricane in Mobile tonight?
I found this on the web.
There is. Great. High tide's about a little after midnight here at our location. So it should be interesting. I'll be back with you. I gotta step out of the car. Huh? Gosh, it's kind of blowing out there. My gosh, you guys doing all right here in the car? Lost and going. We're discussing all the things going on. Uh-oh, let's do something here. Let me see here. Hang on a minute.
Coastal and Santa Rosa Coastal. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. Central. On the Mobile, Pensacola National Weather Service. The flood warning continues for the Vale of Saraland from this evening to Sunday morning. At 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 3.0 feet. Flood stage is 4.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. This approaches a flood record. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a hurricane warning is in effect for the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Hurricane warning remains in effect. What? Northeast winds 30 to 50 knots with gusts up to 80 knots and seas 11 to 16 feet. Where? Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, Louisiana out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Mississippi Sound and Chandler Sound. Until early Wednesday afternoon. Mariners should remain in port. Flash or secure the vessel for it.
Okay, the pole's about to break here. It's getting real. Really real. Okay, we gotta go. We're gonna move here real quick. I gotta do something here. We're gonna move to a new location upstairs real quick. It's getting really bad here. Hang on a minute. Hang on, we're gonna move something. Oh, it's gone. It's gonna go out here. Hey, I gotta take the light back off. It's gonna rip right off. It ripped off on me bad. Okay.
Yeah, upstairs is probably really blasted.
Okay, buddy, hang on. Buddy, hang on, it's gonna get crazy. Yeah, hear the winds are screaming. Oh my goodness. The winds are screaming. Okay, we're gonna remove. Hang on. Uh-oh. Just put my earbuds going out. Go friggin' live. You guys still with me on YouTube? I hope so, because it's gonna get real. Went up to the upper deck. So we can down to the upper deck. Get going off. Oh my gosh. Let me show you this real quick. Look at this, guys. It's gonna get real. 80 to 100 mile winds. It's getting closer. We're going to go upstairs. Let's go check this big bad dude out. It's going to be crazy. Look at that. Here it comes. Let's see how far we're away. Not very far now. Yeah, 20 miles. At 2 mile an hour, that's, what is that? 10 hours? You kidding me? 8 o'clock? 7 o'clock? Ooh, I'm thinking about 5-6 hours of total sheer panic here coming on. Okay, here we guys. We're going upstairs. Here we go. Okay. Backing up. Something about take the pods out. You want me to take the pods out of my ear? Is that correct? I heard take the pods out. Okay. Take off the pods. I did take off the pods. They're off. Okay, hang on. Audio awful, pods awful. Really? Okay, that's interesting. Hello, I heard you. I got you, babe. I got you. Ask everyone. Okay, pods are awful. Okay, maybe they're going bad or something. Maybe the audio's going bad because I've wore out the batteries. Little scripper. Okay. If the audio's bad, here's what we're going to do then. Okay, she says the AirPods are bad, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to disable those. You're live. Okay, here we go. Do you like that? How's the audio sound? Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that good? Turn off the other AirPods. Is that good? Yeah, there's an antenna on top. Just barely touch. Audio's good now. Okay, great. Okay, here we go. I gotta be really careful. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. This is like you're coming out of the tunnel and you're going up. This is like crazy. Jeff, you're mute. Okay. Are you audio? You're back audio. Okay. Okay. Look at this. It's pretty crazy on top. Just go up about 10 more feet and then the winds are really insane here. Okay. Look at that. It's peeling off. Okay, oh wow. This is crazy. Hang on a minute, I'm gonna get over here in this corner here. Look at this. Oh. Whoa. This is one parking lot deal here. Yep. Let's go around here. The winds are just screaming out of the east. Yeah, they're about, looks like 090 maybe, 090 maybe 100, somewhere around anywhere from 070 to 090 here. Looks like the winds are almost straight easterly here. We're in the north eye wall, the outer eye wall. Yeah, it's just gotta watch this. It's kind of tricky up here. Wow. A lot of water ponding. Yeah, thank you for support there. Okay, let's see what's going on over here. Oh wow, I see. Oh yeah, I've got. Hang on a minute. Wow, this is crazy. Hang on a minute. Let's see if you can see that. Look how it's pouring off the upper part of the deck there. Look at this. It's just coming off the roof. Look how it's blowing off those balconies. Matter of fact, I got exit signs. Yeah, I got emergency exit signs ripping off the roof here. Let me get in a different position here. Hang on. Okay, this is crazy. Let me get the window up. I don't know if you guys can see the exit signs are getting ripped off the balconies. Emergency exit signs. Look up there. Yeah, they're swaying. Look at I got towels and stuff ripping off the hallways. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Let me see. Let me show you something here. Let me just a minute. Try to get in a different position on the wind. So I'm gonna come in the car here. Just a minute. I'll get the shot here in just a second here. Wow. Yeah, it's getting bad up there. Whoa. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. Let me see if we can open this. I don't get too much splatter on me. If you look up there, about the 10th floor, up there, see the light flashing red? That's an exit sign. It's got ripped off the ceiling. There's just some small stuff coming off now. These outsides, between these buildings, stuff gets wow. Okay, this is just kind of looking around here, kind of watching the area and see. Wow, look at this wind. Yeah, it's wind's really vicious. Getting all this other quiet side. Okay, we're pretty heavy east now. If we come around the southeast wind here, we're going to get that storm surge coming in here. I'm just kind of looking around. Wow. Okay, the wind was northeast a while ago. Now I've got it. I'm going to say it's right at 090 now. Due east wind at about 75, maybe 80. Due east at 75 now. Yep. Whoa, gosh, the winds. Yeah, they're very fierce. Huh? Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Look at this up here. Can't roll the window, I'll get blasted. It's wow. Car's like rocking hard now. Wow. Look at that light pole. It's bouncing big time. There we go. Let's just roll down the window so you guys can hear the audio. I'm trying to get in position where I can turn the car, where I can crank the window open without getting soaked, which I think I can do that here, I think. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Hear that? I'm in Gulf Shores, just about 1 mile east of 29, where it intersects 182. Just east of downtown Gulf Shores. Parking garage, condo parking garage over here. I've got, looks like a light down there. I don't know if it's something's out over the wall there, but it's like, it's breaking off. It's on a pole over there or something. It's swinging back and forth 5, 6 feet. This pole here's about this pole here. This pole's here about to break off. Yeah, they're maybe 18 inches back and forth. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, there's some probably small debris going on right now. You gotta get up to maybe get closer to that 120 mark. You get about sustain 100, it'll start getting pretty crazy. 70, 80, you just start to get the good tree damage. Plug in the phone because get it on the battery. Okay. Got you on power now. Got us on battery. Alright, got us on plug in. Juice plugged in. Yeah, those lights are. I'm gonna put this back on the ramp here, guys, on this holder, and look at that. I gotta do something else. I gotta get my other camera and start shooting. It's, oh boy, that's interesting. Oh yeah, yep, that's pretty bad. Let's see what happened. It'll be fine. Lost screen but audio. Okay, it'll come back. It'll come back. Audio only. Okay. Well, I'll kill the stream and come back. Okay.